Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's your boy Jamal. Hope you guys are all doing well. Now, I hope you guys are all staying safe out there. We're definitely living in some crazy times right now. I know here in Texas, the governor has actually shut the state down essentially. All dining restaurants, all gyms, movie theaters, stuff like that are all closed. And you really can only leave your house for the essentials. So today I figured I'd provide you guys with some entertainment. And maybe if you guys are curious on how to mirror tap a 2016 Cadillac CTS-V, in this video, hopefully I can show you guys how to do that. So I've actually ordered this kit off Amazon. It's a $42 kit from radarmount.com, I think. It comes with the actual mirror mount for the radar detector, and then you actually have the hardwired kit that taps into where the mirror electronics are. And then my radar detector of choice, we've got the Passport 9500iX. Obviously there's better radar detectors out there now. It's kind of an older model, but this is what I have in my Corvette, and I like it. And my buddy is actually getting rid of this for super cheap, so I got a really good deal on it. So today we're going to go ahead and install that. I think the only other thing you need is a interior trim removal pry bar kit. I got this from Harbor Freight Tools. It was like $8. So I know a lot of you guys have been yelling at me to get this for a really long time, and I finally had time to go and grab one. So without any more further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, again, I haven't said this in a really long time, but you guys have to remember that I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm not a professional installer. I do all these things at my own risk, and then if you do want to follow my video guides and stuff like that, definitely do it at your own risk. The only reason I make these videos is to maybe potentially help people out and save people some money when it comes to doing stuff like this and other kind of miscellaneous automotive repairs. So now that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get into it. Here's kind of a closer look at everything, guys. Obviously we've got the pry bar kit, we've got the mount here for the radar detector, we've got the hardwire kit here, and then we have the radar detector. We won't be needing the suction cups actually, so we can go ahead and pull those off. And then also this wire that comes with it, we won't need that either. So just the radar detector itself, and then the kit to install it. Coming inside the car, guys, here we have the actual rear view mirror. And so coming underneath, we can see the plastic trim and where the mirror actually mounts to. And so there's two pieces here. Both these pieces should be able to pop off, one on the bottom here and then one on the top here, and that should give us access to the wires to the rear view mirror, and we should be able to just tap the connector. This actually doesn't require any type of soldering or wire stripping or anything. We should be able to just put the pins from the kit into that connector, and that should give us power and accessory power and ground for our radar detector. And then obviously the mount will mount to the mirror neck here as well, and it should just sit nice and pretty underneath the rear view mirror. So I'm gonna go grab those pry bar kits. I'm gonna set you guys on a tripod, and we're gonna remove this trim. Simple enough. And I should be able to pop this out as well, so I can run my cable through. Alright, so here's my connector, and I should have a black cable here, and then there's a purple and gray cable as well. The purple and gray cable provides accessory power, so that's where we want to tap our red wire for the kit, and then the black one here is ground, so that's where we want to ground it out. And so we should be able to just throw it in those connectors, and it should just be as simple as that. So let me go grab this kit and wire this in. Alright guys, so these pins that are actually on this wire are too big, but they've provided these connectors here to kind of reduce the size of the pin. So I should be able to just plug these in like that, and like that, and that gives me smaller pins to throw in here. And boom. Now those are in, this should power up my radar detector. as simple as that. We just gotta put this thing back together and then we should be good. So I want to give you guys just a closer look at how we're wired in. Let's see, come on, focus. So as you can see there, you've got the reducers on these pins here, and then it goes in. There's a purple, I don't know if you guys can see it. See if I can zoom in. Anyway, there's a purple and gray wire that the red one connects into, and the black one, the ground, connects to the black wire coming out. So those connectors they literally just push into that OE connector, and then it'll tap power from there. So literally you just have to insert them, and that's all there is to it. You don't have to solder or cut or strip anything. It just goes right in. All right, so I'm gonna set you guys back on the tripod, and then we're just gonna put all the trim back together and try to tuck that wire back where it goes. Everything's nice and tight. That should be it. And then we should just be able to install our mount here, and then that's all there is to it. So I'm gonna grab that mount and then pop it in. Just make sure that this still works. Boom. Still works. So it's just gonna sit like right here. So just to make sure that we screw this in basically with the provided screws, should be these. And they provide an Allen wrench. It's nice and tight. And then this basically mounts onto the mirror, and this will come back like that. This is actually the other piece that will mount onto the mirror. And then we've got our screws for that too. So, go throw this in. My OCD is killing me right now. Alright, and then this should just plug into here. Alright, so one last check. Right now it's off because the car is off. Power it on. Boom. pops on. Perfect. So there's our finished product. As you guys can see, we've got a nice clean install on the mirror. Looks awesome. Alright guys, that's going to go ahead and do it for this video. I hope you guys did learn something. I hope I was able to provide you guys with some value for those of you that might be doing this. Also, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Jamal's Garage. Don't forget to practice your social distancing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.